Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to share the Flow app with partner. Guys, first step you need is open your Flow app and your device and navigate to the partner tab. You can find the partner tab at the bottom right hand and side of your screen. And the next of message inside and the tab you'll find the link and your partner button, and this will generate message containing and a unique code, and your partner will need to download Flow app application and the pairing code. Enter your code provided, and when you enter your code your account will be paired and you can explore the app together. As you can add the menus, you can stop sharing your Flow app with your partner at any time. Guys, if you find this video helpful, like, share this video for more content.